Hello, I'm John Farnham and I'm on the set of an Uber Eats commercial with Jimmy Barnes, Anh Do and me, Farnsy. We've got a little group together and we call it Barnsey, Farnsy and Farnsy. That's catchy, isn't it?
The meal that probably best represents me would be, I don't know, something that bloody just keeps repeating on you and never gives up.
I could think of something stodgy. Pasta.
Padsu with duck. It's fulfilling.
What a bloody question.
I don't mind hot food, but not too hot so that you can't converse with the person you're there with.
Or you can't breathe.
Well, the last Uber Eats order I had was a hamburger at one of the sound checks.
Uber Eats order was Thai food. My wife's Thai and we eat Thai food all the time, and if we can get it sent to the house, it's even better. Don't have to cook. My kids use Uber Eats so much, I start to know the guy who's delivering by first name.
I'm lazy, so
That's perfect.
it's good.
That's perfect. You know what? I've never actually pretended to have cooked and ordered Uber Eats. It's not a bad idea. I think I'm going to give it a go because there's got to be a lot better cooks out there than me.
No, I couldn't get away with that. And then again, if I got barbecue, I could. But no, the missus would pick it straight away. It's been an interesting day. I haven't done much acting, but you'll probably notice that when you watch it.
Listen, I've got to admit, you know, that when they suggested that we put a band together, you know, Barnsey, Farnsy and Farnsy, I thought it's never going to work. But since I've got to the shoot and I've seen Farnsy's moves, he might be taking over as frontman. I think I'm going to be stuck behind the drum kit. Me and John will just stand back, let Farnsy do his thing.
Guys, I'm not actually a musician.
I thought Farnsy was going to faint when Jimmy did his
Thank you very much.
We've had a ball, although this is the only time we've ever done it.
It's a nightmare to work with Barnsey and Farnsy. It's great to work with Barnsey and Farnsy.
Well, we can talk about Farnsy because he's not here. Well, that Farnsy.
I've worked with Jimmy before, but Farnsy I've never worked with before. He did want to paint me at one point. I don't know whether he still wants to after this.
Working with Farnsy and Farnsy, it's always been a pleasure. I mean, I've worked with both these guys lots over the years.
Delicious.
Doing a film shoot can be hard work, but when you're around guys like these, it's just, you know, it's a lot of fun. From McDonald's in North!
The master at work. The master at work. That's Jimmy Barnes.
Thank you! You're getting a bad reputation.
Farnsy and Barnsey both more handsome in real life than on TV.
You smooth talker.
Even more handsome.
Is that possible?
Yeah.
Want to do another 8?